Guys, welcome back to Yoyindoke's kitchen. Today I'm making ayamase stew. For my choice of protein, I'm using some beef, some turkey, and I'm adding a little salt, no salt seasoning, ground onions, and as well as smoked garlic. We are going to saute nicely and allow to simmer. Okay, next will be our veggies. Here I have green tomatoes, I have green jalapeno, I have green bell pepper, green sweet pepper, and as well some white onions. So everything here is green except the onions. All right, we're going to blend this roughly. Okay, just look at how it's looking, very lush, very fresh. And I'm going to use my sieve as I'm doing here to separate the water so it will be easy for us to fry. We are going to be using palm oil for this stew. The palm oil is bleached. If you don't like this kind of bleach, you can bleach it further, but I prefer this. And we are now going to get the onions into the pot. We are going to allow to fry until it's well sauteed. After that, we are going to now add the green pepper mix, okay? We are going to get everything into the pan. Guys, thank you for watching this video today. I really appreciate that. So for my herbs, I'm using my herbs and spices. I'm using parsley, rosemary, thyme, and then scallion. Everything fresh, okay? Now that our pepper mix has fried reasonably, I'm now adding the spices. Okay, these are herbs and spices, and that is why it's getting back to the green. Now we're adding more no salt seasoning. I'm adding all-purpose seasoning here, and I'm adding 2 bouillon cubes. So let me know where you're watching me from. How are you doing? Are you liking this recipe? Are you going to try this recipe? We are now going to saute to mix and add our protein. So our protein is now going into the pot. Remember I said this is a local stew made with fresh pepper and fresh everything green, okay? Now the meat stock, to loosen it up a little bit to allow for more cooking time, okay? Make sure you stir nicely to avoid it burning at the bottom. Guys, how is it looking now? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Just look at. Yeah, we haven't finished with the protein, so we're adding boiled egg, okay? Ayamase stew. I hope I got the name right, okay? Now we're going to mix everything thoroughly to combine and allow to simmer for a few more minutes, and this is where we are. Guys, this is so amazing, so delicious, very tasty. I know you're going to definitely like it. Just give it a try, and thank you for watching.